Hey everybody, we're here at Sema 2025 and I'm super excited to finally share with you what we've been working on at CarlasUSA. It's been months of testing, perfecting, dialing in every detail, and we're thrilled to officially launch our new product lineup. And the best part? We've got special pre-order pricing happening right now, so make sure you stick around for all the details. Let's start with our new Essential Series. This line is designed to make PPF more accessible and a more economical option without cutting corners on quality. You'll have 150 colors to choose from, all using our advanced color technology for a flawless, consistent finish. Whether you are a DIYer or a shop looking to jump into color change PPF, this is the perfect entry point for you and your business. You'll get a 5-year warranty, a wet or dry application for easier installs, and the same unmatched clarity and strength that you expect and have gotten used to from all Carlas products. All 150 colors are available now for pre-order at just $6.99. Shipping begins in early December, and if you're curious or you've been wanting to try out color PPF, now's the time. Next up, something we're really proud of, our new printable paint protection film lineup. We're launching these with 3 amazing base options: a clear base, a white base, and a chrome base. Industry firsts. Each one is available in a matte or gloss finish. The creative possibilities here are endless. From custom designs to commercial wraps and applications, you can take your graphics to a whole new level. Our Carlas printable PPF kits feature a TPU-based substrate and a TPU laminate top, making them fully compatible with your existing printers. So if you're already working with traditional vinyl graphics, this film will fit seamlessly into your business. With a 5 to 7 year warranty, you'll get unbelievable durability, crystal clear print quality, and full paint protection, all in one package. This game has been changed. Prices start at $13.99 for clear, $15.99 for a roll of a white base, and $17.99 for a chrome base roll. Once again, shipping begins in December. At CarlasUSA, we are constantly innovating and changing the game in paint protection film industry-wide. We truly are built by installers for installers, and we're so excited to share with you what we've been working on. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below or email us at contact@carlasusa.com. And don't forget to stay tuned and don't miss any opportunities for upcoming trainings, shows, installs, and new products. SEMA 2025, thanks for being here.